Welcome to the Jezem Manpower channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the detailed steps for foreign employers on how to hire Filipino workers. This guide covers all the legal procedures and necessary documentation required by the Migrant Workers Office and the Department of Migrant Workers in the Philippines. To start, foreign employers need to prepare several documents, which will be provided by Jezem Manpower. These include the job order form, indicating job categories, the number of workers needed, salaries, and terms and conditions according to local and Philippine labor laws. The special power of attorney grants the Philippine Recruitment Agency the authority to act on behalf of the foreign employer. The Recruitment Agreement must be signed on all pages, as well as the Master Employment Contract, which includes the minimum provisions of employment contracts for land-based workers. The joint affidavit of undertaking solidifies the liability of Jezem Manpower and the foreign employer for the workers' wages, compensation, and repatriation. The land-based undertaking is required by the MWO, and the contingency plan outlines alternative plans in case of unforeseen events. Lastly, Jezem Manpower will provide the DMW license of the Philippine agent. Next, foreign employers must prepare the original documents from their company. These include a valid business registration or license, which must be in English or have a notarized English translation. If the company is a local manpower agency, provide a valid recruitment license or permit, also in English or with a notarized translation. Additionally, the employer profile should detail the company's business activities, years of operation, and workforce size. A copy of the passport of the authorized signatory and the authority granted by the company or board is required. Lastly, provide a location map from Google Maps showing the geographical location of your company and worker accommodations. Once all documents are prepared, scan and email copies to Jezem Manpower and the relevant MWO email to ensure they are complete and in order. After confirmation, send all original documents to the Migrant Workers Officer at the nearest Philippine consulate or embassy. The MWO will verify and authenticate the documents and then send them directly to Jezem Manpower in the Philippines. Once Jezem Manpower receives the authenticated documents, we will submit them to the DMW for final approval and registration. Jezem Manpower will then handle the legal recruitment process, including medical exams, visa formalities, and securing the overseas employment certificate. Finally, the deployment procedure will proceed, and your Filipino workers will be ready to join your company. Thank you for watching. We hope this detailed guide helps foreign employers navigate the process of hiring Filipino workers. And remember, these procedures are standard, so there might be slight changes depending on your government's policies. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.